Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1990 C4 Corvette L98 engine for sale. We'll go ahead and start it up here. As you can see, this engine starts right up. It's in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. This car has 77,000 miles on it. This is the 245 horsepower L98 engine. Currently made it up to an automatic transmission. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. Rev it up here. If you have any questions, give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.